Alright guys, 2016 Toyota Tacoma. I'm doing the visor. This is all black, so my camera hopefully could pick it up good enough. Real easy. Let's take out these Phillips screwdriver heads right here. Those are just regular Phillips screwdrivers. Okay, there's one. Let's get the other one and save them. You can move the visor to get the other one, the other screw out. Save that one as well, we will need them. Alright guys, so it'll kind of hang down like this. Don't let it hang like too much though. There's a connector right here, and if your connector didn't come out, then just pull this wire harness out a little bit until you see this white connector. Disconnect this connector by pushing the button, undo it. Alright, just like that. And here's our old one. And I was replacing it because they wanted a new one because the sticker's coming off. So here's my new part number. This is for the driver one. Sorry, I'm trying to get to focus. Alright. Driver visor. I got this from Toyota. I don't know if you can get them aftermarket, but this one's from Toyota. Okay, we'll go and pull it out and get this bubble wrap off of it. Okay, I got it unwrapped. Now, obviously make sure it's the same one, match it up. Here's our connector. We're going to connect this, and then we're going to push this up in place and put the screws back in it. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay, got it connected. Now I'm going to put this wiring back up here. You know, just run it back in the hole, push it back so it doesn't get caught on nothing. Okay guys, before we put it up, there's this clip right here on it. Make sure you put that clip in that square hole on the side, okay? And make sure the wire's not going to get caught between the base of this and the car. And let's go ahead and put that in. Make sure that that spring clip isn't left over from the old one. So make sure that the old one still has its spring clip, because sometimes they get stuck in there and then you have to pull them out. Okay guys, it helped me to have it straight like this when I put it in. It went in a lot easier. Now I'm going to put my screws in. Alright, so I put my screws in, and they don't got to be mega tight guys, just pretty snug. Make sure your light works, okay, and make sure it lines up in there. And there you go, that's it.